Hello everyone, this is regarding EPT live class update. Morning TOC is going on, as you know. TOC to TOC PDA ending almost happened. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to enter Turing machine. Right? So within a week, right, TOC will be completed. Right? So PDA almost ending happened, right? So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to enter Turing machine. Within a week, it will be completed. Next one, evening, if you see, algorithm is going on. Algorithm is almost completed. We enter into dynamic programming, right? So, right, within 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 days, algorithm is going to be complete. DBMS, I think, in my opinion, Mithali madam is taking, right? 15 classes are over, one more 15 classes are left out. This is the update regarding the ongoing batch. And one more good news to all of you. This month 20 onwards, we are starting the new batch for GATE 2025. In the data structure going to start. In the data structure subject going to start. My suggestion is, if you are preparing for GATE 2025, please join in this batch. Syllabus will be completed right August ending. So that remaining time you can do practice and all. This is my suggestion to everyone. The new batch which is going to start, right? The things which we are going to give is, right, full course. If you take, you will get the full course live or recording. Rank improvement course also you will get live or recording. Crash course also will be available. And one more thing is a test series also. 100 tests will be there. This is the best opportunity to start. Please start the preparation as soon as possible. Those people who want to join in the new batch, in the description below, we are giving the all details. You can join that batch, right? So see you in the class.